Hey guys, so I'm back with my video again, and today I'm going to show you how to make these bows, which are very easy. These all I have made from A4 sheet. These were wasted, my project sheets, and one side it was blank, so I used it like this. Also I made from A4 sheet. This also. So which one is best among these four? Please tell me in the comment box. I think this one. It's looking great and the combination of the color is also awesome. So, but yes, you can also make it with the A4 sheet, and also you can make it with glazed paper. This is glazed paper. I have 4 colors. So today I'm going to show you how to make these bows. So let's start. To make this, you need nothing else than glazed paper. I have here 4 colors: yellow, red, pink and blue, a scissor, a pencil and a Fevicol. So let's start. To make this structure of the bow, we have to draw the shapes. This structure, this structure and this structure. Everything we have to draw and cut. So let's begin. I am using a red color glazed paper, and I have to draw such shape to make the 3D part, this part of the sheet, and the other shape is another shape, and what is the third shape is this strip. You can draw it according to the size of this. So I'm going to draw the strip. It is enough. So these were the 3 shapes which we had to draw. And now we have to simply cut these shapes. Remember that you have to draw these shapes on the back side of the paper, which is plain, because if you will draw it from this side and you will cut it, your paper will not look nice. So let's cut these shapes. So I have cut these all 3 shapes. Now what we have to do is just to stick them. So that's even much easier than the earlier steps. Simply take a glue and इसको पलटते हैं. Then what you have to do is you have to stick this together like this. And still if it does not stick, like as it's not sticking my one, so what you just do is put this here and just the strip which we have cut, put it in the between, and that's important. I have done in every bow. So I'm gonna do the same. I have put this in the between and then paste it at the back. After that, you can see that your bow is ready. But I think you should make it with A4 sheet. It's better, it's strong, and it looks 3D also, you can see. And inside also, like this part, you'll see the same color, but in this glazed paper, you will see white color. there's one advantage of the glazed paper, that it cuts easily, sticks easily, and gives a pop-up look. Like this comes out very easily. You can keep this glazed paper bow like this, but A4 bow you can keep like this also, this also, this also, and whatever you want. It does not look bad. So guys, to make this bow, it's very easy. The same steps you have to follow. Just take the sheet, draw the same shapes, and cut and paste the same way. Yes, this flower is which I have cut is from punching machine, and I will stick it in the bitty. You can also do mix and match like this. And this I have mix and match. You can also put red color strip into this. This also I have mix and match, and this is the punching machine flower, yellow color flower. Many more. You can put any of those. So this also I have mix and match. This actually it's not good, but yeah, I can show you that I have put yellow color strip into this. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this trick, easy trick to make the bow, please like the video also, give it a big thumbs up